Welcome to the Schoencast, your guide to EdTech workflow. Hello, Internet. So I'm going to give you a quick little walkthrough of my form to Twitter automation process with the updated workflow here. So here you see my Google site I use for class, and my students will click here to submit a tweet. The student will enter their name, Clark Kent, their class period, and their tweet. Look at my practice tweet for this screencast. Alright, I submit. I'm done. I can submit another if I want. Now if you follow me here, you'll see here's my tweet me responses. Clark's response comes right in. No problems here. What's going to happen is Formule picks it up, and as does my pre-filled URL that I've copied through CopyDown, the add-on, and this pre-filled URL fills the data of this row in another form for approval, and you see the automation right here, emails it to me. So if we look at the form here as well, I want to point out, on that first form, the tweet me form, there's data validation, so my tweet can only be 104 characters. Otherwise, it asks them to revise, so that the 104 characters plus the hashtag, the student name, the word tweets, as you can see up here it says first name, tweets, the tweet, and the hashtag, all equals less than the 140 characters of Twitter. What's going to happen here is you'll see my form responses. I'm just going to show you real quickly. I sent that email for all rows, so anytime anyone submits that form, automatically the rows are sent. And it's a quick email, nothing fancy in it, except for the pre-filled URL. So it sends me an email and says, hey, listen, this student has submitted this tweet. Here's the tweet. Here's the link to the pre-filled URL. So we'll pull my email right here. Ta-da, and it works. Tweet submission. And I see Clark Kent has submitted the following tweet. I look at his tweet, and I click here for approval. This is my approval form. Again, the approval form automatically pulled from the student's work. So here I have the student email and so on. If I click yes, tweet this, it will tweet. If I click no, it will ask the student to revise. It will send it back to the email address based on this right here. And you'll see, I'll pull over here for a second. Once again, here's the form. Line 7 is my last line of data. I'm going to say yes, tweet this, submit. Line 8 is about to come in with my form results. There we go. Practice tweet, no problem. Pulling over to another tab here, I have Formula open. So I've got my send and my revise, two different templates this time. And you have your tweet approval form template loading for the send. And here's what's important. Student first name, tweets. I chose to only use my student's first names here. Then in the brackets will be the tweet message and my class hashtag, all within that subject line. Now using this recipe from If This Then That, Gmail to Twitter, I set it up so when my account gets an email from that form using Formule, it automatically is tweeted. So now we'll pull over to Twitter. And now we're on Twitter, and I'm on my class Twitter account, @ShowAndTellOHS, and I have one new tweet. Clark tweets, look at my practice tweet for the screencast, show and tell. All automated, all through email, no wait time, no extra workflow. Thanks for watching, thanks for reading. Find more at aschoenbart.com or find me on Twitter @Mr. Schoenbart to learn more about automation with Formule, If This Then That, and other online tools.